Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Arduino IDE in your Linux operating system. So before you continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So right away, open your favorite browser and in the Google search bar type in Arduino. It is going to bring you the official website of Arduino, that is arduino.cc. Click on this website and look for the software option. Here it is going to bring you the different download options for Arduino IDE. So here we are going to look for the one for Linux, and we choose the AppImage version, so click on it. So here you can contribute to Arduino, otherwise just click on download. Here you can subscribe to Arduino's newsletter, otherwise click on just download, and the IDE is going to download in your browser. Wait for a few seconds. So this is the latest version, Arduino IDE 2.3.3. So after downloading, we are going to go back to the Arduino website and go to the documentation, which has everything about Arduino. So in the documentation we are going to look for software, and in the software we are going to choose Arduino IDE 2, which is the latest version for Arduino IDE. And when you click on it, it has different options. We are going to look for downloading and installing the Arduino IDE 2. So click on this one. Here it is going to show you how you can install Arduino IDE on the different operating system. You can see we have for Windows, we have for Mac OS, and we have for Linux. So here for Linux, since we are installing on Linux operating system, this is the option we are looking for. So here they are telling us we have to make the AppImage unexecutable. So this video shows you how you can make the Arduino download unexecutable. So let us go to our download. And here we are going to look for the Arduino AppImage, which is this one. So right click on it, click on properties, click on permissions, and allow this file to execute as a program. So check this box, so you can close. So you go back to our documentation, and here if you have a version of Ubuntu which is greater than or equal to 22.4, you need to copy these files to your terminal. So if your version is greater than or equal to 22.4, you need to open your terminal and then copy and paste this command to your terminal. Run this command. It will prompt you to put your password. So it is telling me the universe distribution is already enabled. If you haven't installed it, it will run and install it on your PC. then you need to also copy and paste this command. You can click enter. So you see it is installing the libfuse2, and after installing it will show you that it is done. So after that we are good to go. So we go to our download and look for Arduino IDE, right click on it. Since we made it an executable, we can just run it. So it will bring you the terms of service. So you can read through them, and if you're okay with it, you can click on agree. And our IDE will start to install on our operating system. So wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so here we have managed to install our Arduino IDE on Linux operating system. So this is the sketch for our Arduino IDE software. So you can see you have your file, you can create a new sketch, you can open an already made Arduino IDE software. Then you can edit, you can do a sketch. That here you can verify and compile. So you have the tools. You can choose the board you are going to use. So for example, if you are using an Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, this is where you can choose the board you are going to use. So here we have the file. Here you see we have the boards manager. You can install a different boards manager depending on what you are going to use. So here we have the library manager. You can install the different libraries of Arduino. And here you can debug. Here you can search your Arduino software for whatever you want. So here we are having the output, and in this way we have managed to install Arduino IDE on our Linux operating system. So in case of any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this.